Hey, my name is John Genitazio. I want to make this video for you with some tips and tricks to help you guys with your online presence to bring more business in locally. So without further ado, I'll get right into it. So there's three things that matter when you're trying to rank a website or get more business online, and I'll explain those as I go along. But it's content, citations, and backlinks. So content is anything on a website, word related, pictures, and what they're saved as. Google likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words on a home page, and the reason for this is so that you can fit in buyer intent search key phrases that people search in Google. So Kansas City roofing, Topeka roofing, those are search phrases that people are searching in Google, and they're looking for someone like you to do a roofing. So Google likes to have 1,500 to 2,000 words so that it's not spammy throughout websites. A lot of times you'll go into websites and people have a lot of keywords in there, and it sounds stupid and it looks bad. And Google also flags that too. So that's why you want to have a lot of content, and Google reads that content. And the more value you have to the person searching on Google, the higher up your website is going to show up on Google. And if your website's not on the first page of Google, you're non-existent online pretty much. No one goes to the second page of Google. So the second one was backlinks. Backlinks is a mention of your website inside of another website. So I always like to use Wikipedia as an example. You know, all the blue words in there, those are all backlinks going from other websites pointing to Wikipedia and Wikipedia pointing back. And that tells Google that this is a trustworthy site. And that's why Wikipedia always shows up number one whenever you search something. It's because they have lots of content and they have lots of backlinks. You need to have good backlinks. So obviously putting your website inside of Pizza Hut, anything like that, that's not going to help you because it's not related to your niche, your service. So you want to go inside of other construction company websites, blog posts, stuff like that. That's going to help you out a lot. So the third one was citations. Citations is a mention of your name, address, and phone number listed throughout directories. That's going to get you in this map pack right here. So directories are like Yellow Pages, Angie's List. This is a directory right here. This is a directory. All these are directories. They're ranking for Kansas City roofing, and that's something that you could be ranking for if you wanted to. And this map pack gets 80%. The map pack and these three down here get 80% of traffic on Google. So if you're not here, like I said, you're pretty much non-existent because nobody goes to these pages down here. These guys right here are the ones getting all the business in Kansas City right now. And all you need to do to beat them is to get your name, address, and phone number in the same directories they're in and get more. So if they're in 100, you get 150. Also, reviews are really big, so you're going to get more reviews than them and more pictures in your GMB. So these guys probably have hundreds of pictures in here. So you always want to have more than they have. They actually don't have hundreds of pictures, but they have lots of citations. That's why they're up here. And they have lots of reviews. They have almost 350 reviews. So that's why they're in there, and all these three guys. And I wanted to show you, I have this tool called Ahrefs. It tells you what's going on in the background of your website. So currently your website's bringing in 84 traffic a month. You have 14 backlinks. Those are the mention of your website inside of another one. And these are the keywords that you're ranking for. So commercial roofing, you're on the bottom of the first page of Google, which is really good. This is a national keyword. Those are hard to rank for because it's national and a lot of people are doing that. But local keywords are what we like to rank for. So Kansas City, Topeka, Lawrence, Manhattan, those are really easy to rank. They're not easy to rank for, but they're much easier to rank for than a national keyword. So all these keywords you're ranking for in here, they're not buyer intent keywords. The only buyer intent keyword you're ranking for is this one. It's bringing you in 35 people a month. This guy, Christian Brother Roofing LLC, I'm sure you've heard of them, but they are currently the #1 in Kansas City. So if you search Kansas City roofing, here they are in organic. So they're currently bringing in 2,000 people a month. And this tool is a tool, so it's not 100% accurate. It takes all the data from the last year and switches it takes the average of the search volume per month. So they could be bringing up to 10 times that amount. So they're bringing 2,000. Um, Angie's List is actually ranking really high on there, so they're bringing in 1.3 thousand, and all they're doing is taking those leads and selling them to people like you. So you could just beat them and then take their leads for free. And here's another one, East Roofing. They're bringing in 600. Here's Devlin Roofing. They're bringing in 112 just for Topeka. Like, this is their website. It's trash, but they're ranking for just Topeka. They're #1 in roofing for Topeka, and they're bringing that. So that's another thing I like to mention is that you can add service pages. So you rank your home page right here, but see, they have service pages right here. You could rank every single one of these pages and bring in the traffic from those cities. So Christian LLC Roofing, they're bringing in that much, this much just from Kansas City. So if you want to rank for Manhattan, Topeka, Lawrence, you want to rank for all of Kansas, you can do that. You just add more location pages to your website and you can do as much as you want. I know Johnny Kaiser said that you go all over the place, so I'm sure you guys would like to stick to Kansas, be local. If I search you guys up here, I live in Michigan, and it says you guys have a location here, which is kind of interesting. You don't have any reviews or anything here, so if I search your name in Kansas, you guys pop up. So this looks pretty good, but again, you only have a couple pictures in here. You don't have many citations. If I search you here, you don't show up anywhere. So Christian LLC is um, right here. So they're about the 7th down. So they're #1 on Google Organic. They're about 7th on the map pack. So they could use some help too. But these tips and tricks will help you. So like I said, the website, the content citations and backlinks, you can rank for all locations that you want to. You can bring in tons and tons of traffic. I know Johnny says you guys are spending quite a bit per year, and I'm not sure where you guys are spending that because I don't see you guys running Google Ads and you're not doing anything to your website. So be interested in knowing what you're doing with that, if you're doing it with signs and um, yeah, I really don't know where that money's going because I don't see any presence of it online, which is where everyone searches for a service these days. Um, so let me know what you think about this. I can help you if you like. There's a lot of opportunity out there for Kansas since you guys are a big company. Um, yeah, just let me know and I'll be glad to help you out. Thank you.